1 raised to power m plus 10 raised to power m is equal to 100 raised to power m. What is the value of m? Hello, welcome to Mathgist. In this class, we want to find the value of m from this equation. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Solution. We have the equation 1 raised to power m plus 10 raised to power m is equal to 100 raised to power m. Let's divide both sides by 1 raised to power m. We have 1 raised to power m. We have 1 raised to power m divided by 1 raised to power m plus 10 raised to power m divided by 1 raised to power m is equal to 100 raised to power m divided by 1 raised to power m. This one will cancel this. We have 1 plus 10 over 1 raised to power m is equal to 100 over 1 all raised to power m. That is from this rule that if you have a raised to power n over b raised to power n, this is equal to a over b to the power of n. So that is how we got the 1 plus 10 divided by 1, that is 10 raised to power m is equal to 100 divided by 1, that is 100 raised to power m. So we have 1 plus 10 raised to power m minus 100 raised to power m is equal to 0. This is 1 plus 10 raised to power m minus 100 is 10 square raised to power m is equal to 0. Now also note that a raised to power n to the power of m is equal to a raised to power m to the power of n. So this become 1 plus 10 raised to power m minus 10 raised to power m square is equal to 0. Let's rearrange. We have 10 raised to power m square minus 10 raised to power m minus 1 is equal to 0. Now let 10 raised to power m is equal to y. So we have y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And our quadratic general formula in this form is giving us y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 1. Now we have y is equal to minus bracket minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 1 over 2 multiplied by 1. Then we have y is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4 over 2. This is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 5 over 2. Therefore, y is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, or y is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. But 10 raised to power m is equal to y. Now 10 raised to power m is equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2, or 10 raised to power m is equal to 1 minus root 5 over 2. But this is positive, this is negative. So this is rejected. The only real solution we have is 10 raised to the power m is equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2. So we work with this. We have 10 raised to the power m is equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2 as the only real solution. Let's take the log of both sides. Let's take the log of both sides and make everything base 10. That is log 10 raised to the power m base 10 will be equal to log of 1 plus root 5 over 2 base 10. Then this is m log 10 base 10 is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2 base 10. Then base 10, log 10 base 10 is 1. M will be equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2. Let's say base 10. Take note of this, that if you have log A over B, this is equal to log A minus log B, and this become M is equal to log 1 plus root 5 base 10 minus log 2 base 10. Then, but log 1 plus root 5 is equal to 0.5100. Then, and log 2 is equal to 0.3010. Therefore, M is equal to 0.5100 minus 0.3010. Then M is equal to 0.209, and this is the final answer. Before you leave, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.